We're doing smoked sausage hash in the Nuwave Brio Air Fryer coming up. Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with CJ. Like I said, today we're gonna do a little smoked sausage hash in the air fryer. If you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. And if you're new to the channel and you wanna see more cooks on this Nuwave Brio or the Weber Kettle or the Blackstone or whatever I'm cooking on, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it. We do a lot of good stuff on here and we welcome you here. Today, like I said, a little smoked sausage hash in the Brio Air Fryer. It's gonna be real easy. I'm not using any of the attachments inside. We're just gonna use the metal base. So we're gonna fry it through. I'm gonna use a little bit of olive oil in this little spray deal, extra virgin olive oil, just to get a light coat in there. Because that's the one good thing about these air fryers, you don't need a lot of oil with it. Makes it a little bit more healthy. One more thing I'm doing on this particular video is someone sent me out a new microphone to use, to test out, to review. So I need your guys' help in this part of it. I'm not gonna sit here in front of a camera and review a microphone because the best part of the review in the microphone is hearing what I'm saying. So in the comments down below, let me know if you think this microphone's a keeper or not, if it sounds a little bit better than what you've been hearing normally, and that's it. So don't forget to make a comment below about the sound quality. Thanks for coming by. We're gonna bring you guys over here so you can see what I'm doing. We got the air fryer preheating and we'll be ready to do the dang thing. All right, come on back. All right guys, we're back. We got this preheated a bit. We're gonna spray just a little shot of this extra virgin olive oil spray. Yep, real quick. And we're gonna do this in layers. We're gonna cook the potatoes first, the onions and peppers get added to it, and the last little bit we'll do the sausage in there. Obviously the sausage is already cooked, and that's how we're gonna roll. These potatoes have been sitting in water for a good hour to get some of the starches out, so it makes it a little bit more crispy. All right, we're gonna throw these in there. We're gonna cook them for about 10 minutes, then we'll start adding the other stuff. All right, gonna spread them around a little bit. This is just my little all-purpose seasoning. Little salt, pepper, garlic, little cumin, little smoked paprika. All right, add a little more flavors. Put that in there. Close this down. You cook temp. I'm gonna go 350. Cook time, we're gonna go 10 minutes. And start. All right, we'll come back when we add the veggies. All right guys, we're finished with the first little round here. Potatoes are, about halfway cooked. Just wanted to get them a little head start. All right, now we're gonna add probably about half a cup of onions. All right, so just a few, cool. All right, and we're gonna add our bell peppers. Yes, I was lazy. Yes, I bought them already chopped up, but I'm okay with that. We're gonna do a little bit more than a half cup of those, because I like a lot of peppers. So probably close to a cup in there. All right, let's mix these all around. All right, and we're gonna get this going for another 10 minutes. All right guys, I let this go a little bit longer, added 5 minutes and 50 degrees to it. So I think this would be a lot better at 400 degrees for about 15 minutes. All right. So you can see everything's getting cooked through. See a little crust going on it. Little bit of browning. All right. So we're gonna add our smoked sausage in. Again, this is already cooked. We just want to get a little caramelization into it. And we'll mix this around. And I'm gonna put this back at 400, and I'm gonna do it again for 15 minutes instead of 10. All right, come on back. All right guys, we're back. Look at that. Let's get a little close up on this bad boy. You hear it? It's nice and caramelized. Crispity, crunchy. All right, I'm gonna serve this up. Well, come on back for the taste test.
All right, guys, we're gonna recap our ingredients. We have our potatoes that we let sit in water for about an hour, our cubed up smoked sausage, our already chopped up, because I'm lazy, onions and bell peppers. And we have our spray extra virgin olive oil, because in the air fryer you don't need that much. And then my own special homemade seasoning, you know, my all-purpose rub, for lack of a better term. All right. Thanks for watching this long. I hope you enjoyed making this yourself.
All right, guys, we're back. We got this plated up right here, getting ready for the thumbnail. So little tips and tricks. We're gonna, and I'll put all this below. We're gonna get the ingredients below. We're gonna get the prep below. But I learned that I should do at least 15 minutes each step of the way for 400 degrees instead of doing 350 for 10 minutes. It just cooks a little bit faster and it gets done. It gets that caramelization on it. So this is perfect. So in all, it's probably gonna take about 40, 45 minutes to get this cooked up. But it's just something I'm learning how to play with this. This didn't come in a recipe book, so I had to kind of figure it out myself. So I hope you enjoy it. All right, again, don't forget to make a comment on the microphone if it sounds good or not, if it's a keeper or not, if I should go back to my old microphone. If you guys want to purchase this Brio, I'll have it pinned in the comments below, and then I'll have it in the description below also. It's to my Amazon affiliate link. Feel free to click on it and get yourself one of these. It is like a mini oven. It's not just an air fryer. There's so much more that it does. So I can't wait to figure out more stuff that we're gonna do. But in the meantime, I'm gonna try this bad boy. I love smoked sausage and potatoes, onions, peppers, so good. All right, minimal oil, tasty as can be. Listen, I appreciate you guys stopping by, and thanks again for cooking with CJ. Take care.